Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Have you ever encountered a situation where your Windows password login option suddenly went missing? Well, brace yourself for a wild ride as we dive into the world of Windows 11 updates and their unexpected twists. The Great Password Icon Mystery. Microsoft recently issued a warning about a peculiar issue with Windows 11 updates. It seems that since August, some users have been experiencing a vanishing act with their password sign-in option. Yes, you heard that right. The password icon, a familiar sight on the lock screen, has been playing hide and seek with users. Here's the catch. On Windows 11, the password icon only makes an appearance when multiple sign-in options are available. So if you're a password-only kind of person, you might be left scratching your head wondering where it went. But here's the twist. The button is still functional, even if it's invisible. The update that caused the stir. Microsoft's updated support documents revealed that users with multiple sign-in options enabled might still not see the password icon on their lock screen, especially if they'd installed the August 2025 KB506408-1 non-security preview update, or its successors on Windows 11 24H2 and 25H2 systems. However, Microsoft has a clever workaround. By hovering over the area where the icon should be, a placeholder for the password button appears, allowing users to sign in seamlessly. Microsoft's response and ongoing issues. Microsoft acknowledged the issue and assured users that they're working on a resolution. But for now, they haven't provided a timeline for a fix. In the meantime, Microsoft has addressed other issues triggered by recent updates. In late September, they tackled the problem with the KB506408-1 optional update, which caused playback interruptions and black screens when trying to play DRM-protected video. Additionally, Microsoft fixed app installation problems for non-admin Windows users and resolved streaming issues affecting NDI software on Windows 10 and 11 devices, both caused by the August 2025 Windows updates. And let's not forget the emergency Windows updates released in August to fix broken reset and recovery functions on Windows 10 and enterprise devices. Security best practices for MCP. As MCP, Model Context Protocol, gains traction as the standard for connecting LLMs to tools and data, security teams are in a race to ensure the safety of these new services. To help you stay ahead of the curve, this free cheat sheet outlines 7 best practices you can implement right away. So, there you have it. A glimpse into the world of Windows updates and the challenges they bring. Stay tuned for more tech tales, and feel free to share your thoughts and experiences in the comments. Until next time, happy tech exploring!